Hi, good morning, student. Today I just try to make the video shorter, then you have time to do the work. So first thing, we already know what to do the project. Once you log in your class, you find your song 1. And yesterday you should finish this music theory. After finish this class, music theory 1-2 point, you should able to write down the keys name C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Each key has a name on your notebook to help you to input the music. Okay, once you understand this key's name, we will go back to Soundtrap. When you go to the Soundtrap, here, the song, this is your project. You can see open Soundtrap. Open in Soundtrap. You just click on, then you will look like this. So if you already add a new track, then you will see your names here. Then you just say, go to the studio. If you miss it to save, then you need to go to Enter Studio. So it depends. If you saved, you just start from here, from your work last time. If not, so now I just show you how to do a new track, okay? If you don't see anything there, you just go new track, you put your tempo, 80, and you confirm. And here, just say add a new track. Once you do that, you need to find pattern marker. Okay, once you do that, you just add new track. Let me see how you look like. Yes, you need to pick up piano. In the moment, we just do piano, but once we do good, one thing good, we can explore, we have orchestra here, okay? So we're all kind of instrument, but I just want piano, make it easy. So on here, you need to hit the piano. After you see the piano here, you just put the metronome on, and you put your title here, you hit save. So since you can put any title you want, okay? Any name you want. I have one, I call my name, or I have one called Happy Love, Little Trees, whatever I like. You just put a name for you, and then you hit save. So that's when you have a save, I should see it on the file as well. So open recent, I have file here. That's my save from my previous lesson. So you check if you have a new track, you do it. If you don't, you don't. So after this, I need to find my old track. So that's what I have. If you don't have, you need to create what I just say and hit save. So now I just open my recent file. I just go, okay, I just let you listen what I do recently. The music sounds like. No, I don't want to change. Do you want to save before? Do you wish to save change before? No? Okay. So here is some music. I just do let you listen first. Sounds like. Oh, this just give you an idea, music, how we can create. But I don't go on detail here since we're in not live class. Our goal is to do something like this and even better. So I will go back to find my track. I just open like an empty track. So since you already add the new track, I choose instrument, piano, or any sound you like. I already showed you last time. So now you need to work on, okay, I want to open my new track I have here. I see the keyboard. You need to understand those C, D, E, F, G, those keys. That's what we're going to use here to input. Okay, I want hit a C here, a C4 here. So it is here. Okay, it's a comma. This is a point. I hit this. I play a D and E, and then I want F. It is a W key. So this is okay. So this I got the sound. So now, since you understand, I want you to explore a little bit, like at least few minutes, 5 minutes. Here, I have C, D, E, F, G here. Here, I have different C, D, E, F, G. I can move with the flash to have a sound higher. C5, and I have C6, C4. Yeah, so in the moment, okay, let's stay on the C4, so on the C4 and C5, okay? Oh, so since now you understand this key, we can go back to your Google Classroom. Your Google Classroom on the project. So this is for fun, okay? I wish we're live class, you can understand better. So you just go there, you pick one of them, any one of them. You read. So let me look which one. Okay, I think I want to do the other one. This one looks easier. So this is C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, D, C. This is 2-bit now. C, B, A, G, F, G, A, B, C, B, C. C, this is 4-bit. This is 2-bit. This is 1-bit. So 1-bit, 2-bit. So I don't want to go back to do the notes, but you should understand we're in class already. This is all 1-bit and this is 2-bit, this is 4-bit. So once I get this music, I will try to put them all. So this it is. Okay, I will practice now. So I need to put the music, I need to remember. Okay, and then okay, this is just a make an example, so you need to practice until you are good. You put a metronome. The metronome give you an idea how I don't hear it. Okay, then I can start to record it. So you need to practice as much as you can. So use your metronome, give you 8 beats to start. So I have to do this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3. Okay, they don't give you a start, that's fine. Okay. After you feel good, you stop, you record, now you listen. Okay, I need to move from beginning, otherwise. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you need to wait. Do I hit record yet? Okay, I don't think it's record. Okay, when I need to go to the beginning and I just practice until I can record. Okay, the record is here. Oh, I forgot. Okay, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two. Forbid. Okay, then I get. Okay, let me see if you record. I need to go back there. So where's my record? Okay, see, you can hear what you play. Okay, this is our goal today. Today you will practice as much as you can. Then you just save it. So don't do, so this is our goal today, okay? So go practice now in your classroom.